This spot where we're so close to the end, I can taste it. My calves are screaming, having to lean forward. And it's boggling my mind that Randy Crossman has been doing this every day, just about for the past year. Up and down, sometimes twice in one day, if he misses a day. Hey, it's Nina Keck with Vermont Public. Come on with me. We're gonna go hike Pico Mountain with the guy by the red Jeep. Hey, Randy.
Hi, Nina. Glad you could make it.
Yeah, I'm glad you could have me come. See, he climbs Pico every single day. For me, it's a big hike. For Randy Crossman, every day is a Pico day.
Every day is a Pico day.
I'm ready.
All right, let's
go.
go.
This is it? You're not carrying anything?
Just my drink. It'll be fun.
Randy Crossman lives in Rutland, and he grew up hiking Pico. But 3 years ago, he had his knee replaced and wasn't sure he'd ever be able to hike it again. After checking with his doctor, he set out to try. He made it up the mountain once, then twice, then 5 days in a row. And something you should know about Randy, he likes a challenge.
So I started June 22nd last year, and I said, okay, I'm gonna hike for a month. I got through that, and then I said, well, I'm gonna go for 50 days. And as I got closer to that, I started having a conversation with my daughter, who is the executive director of Building Bright Futures, and I said, I can't do this without a cause.
Building Bright Futures is a nonprofit in Vermont that works to improve the lives of young children and families. It became Randy's cause. The challenge he set out for himself? Hike Pico 365 times in 1 year.
And it started out as an awareness campaign. And at 100 days, I got my first donation. It's just escalated to there, and we're now over $13,000 and
you
still
are in
climbing.
the home stretch. You're actually gonna do this.
So this is the fourth from the end, right here, fourth hike.
And I'm excited we're a part of it.
Yeah,
Come on.
You guys are gonna go.
Today's an unbelievably beautiful day.
Yes,
and
it
there's
is.
a slight breeze. But how do you wrap your head around having to do this hike when it's cold or sleeting or icy or any one of a number of horrific weather conditions?
Well, some of the most harrowing hikes have been in the dark. Probably 75 to 80% of my winter hikes were in the dark by myself. High winds, rain, sleet, snow, 20 below zero.
Sounds scary.
It's been scary, but basically, I just looked there. I didn't...
On your path.
Yeah. And we're almost a quarter of the way there.
Woohoo!
Almost.
Except that little end part's kind of steep.
So we'll take a little break. How's that?
Yeah, I need some water. Oh man. Did you ever feel like you wanted to give up?
No, never. I didn't allow it to enter my mind. When I started this thing, I said no excuses. If you miss a day, you gotta make a day up.
So you do 2 on one day?
Yeah.
Doubles, right?
Yeah, and through this whole thing, I've had to do 8 doubles.
Wow.
Early December, I came down with COVID. So I spent 2 days in bed. I got up and hiked 2 days. That killed me. I spent 2 more days in bed. And then I got up and started hiking again, and then I took Christmas Day off. So I was 1 day behind. And then ever since then, I've been making up days, and I'm 3 ahead right now. So I'll finish 365 days in 362 days. So are we ready to
Yeah, let's
make the top?
Let's keep going. Let's push it.
I don't think you want to push it, but
A little bit.
so this will be when I finish. I've got a few stats here for you.
Yeah, lay it on
Right
me.
here. So I will have climbed 717,955 vertical feet up. 1,277 miles climbed round trip, and about the equivalent of 25 Everests.
Do you have stats on the number of bugs you've eaten? Not including today.
Normally, I would wear my, my famous net, but
I'm gonna take it out. Show me how this works.
they're pretty easy to use.
Okay.
You just put them on your head.
Right? Well, I'm not eating bugs, so it's a win-win. They're strange looking, but they really help. Thank you.
Race you to the top, Nina.
Huh?
I'll race you to the top. Ready?
It's not an option. I just want to get there.
There you go.
All right. That was great. I can't believe you do that every day.
Every day.
I'm
This is
suitably spent.
362.
I gotta have some sugar.
Ooh, hide that logo.
It's really good. So you've been hiking every day, but I also know you have a full-time job at Castleton University heading up their
Facilities.
yeah, kind of in charge of all their buildings and everything. That's demanding. You have
yeah.
a sideline job as a woodworker.
Right.
How do you fit in time to do this?
So this takes 3 hours out of my day with everything. I get out of work at 3 o'clock, so I travel home, get changed, come up the hill, go down the hill. I don't put any more thought into it than that. My wife asked me how it went. I said it went great. Every day, it went great.
I don't think you're gonna miss the bugs.
I know. Look at
Yeah, it's part of it.
it is.
I tell my kids it's character building.
Yeah. Okay, Nina, we're only halfway there. So, I told you, I'm gonna race you to the bottom. Ready? Go. Come on.
Randy Crossman finished his final hike 3 days ahead of schedule. Family and friends were waiting at the bottom to help him celebrate. It shouldn't come as a surprise, though, that he hiked Pico once more on the actual one-year anniversary of his quest. Because to Randy Crossman, goals are for exceeding.